Hello everybody, I'm Rob Smith with Trinity 918 Designs, where we specialize in landscape lighting and hardscape lighting for your home and businesses. Welcome to our channel. Today I want to talk to you about the finish color of the lighting fixtures that you choose. There are several different finishes we can choose. You can choose black, you can choose bronze, you can choose copper. There's probably even more than that, but those are the three most popular colors that people buy. First, I want to talk to you about the black fixtures. These are black powder coated fixtures that are probably what most people want. They like black, they just want it to blend in. And our fixtures are powder coated, where a lot of our competitors have painted fixtures, but those don't last near as long. The black will end up turning like a dark chalky gray over time. But if it's powder coated, it's going to last a lot longer. But even though it's powder coated, after 2 or 3 years in the Oklahoma sun, they're going to start to fade and look gray and chalky. And the only thing you can really do to revive them is paint them or repowder coat them. There's really not a wax or an oil you can put on them to bring them back effectively. But people do like the black a lot. The second color we do is we have solid copper. Now, copper is really cool, and we use copper when people have copper guttering because we try to match that and make everything flow in their home. But what I don't like about the copper is they do tarnish over time, and they will turn kind of a green color. And you'll spend a lot of time trying to clean those and bring them back unless you like that particular color. And so we don't sell a lot of these unless they have, matching downspouts and stuff like that. The most popular color that we sell is the dark oil rub bronze. These are my particular favorite because they're almost black, but they are infused with this dark oil rub copper color. So if they scratch, they're actually going to scratch this color, and you won't notice the scratch on it. So if you hit them with a weed eater or they just get banged up over time, you really won't notice it. The other thing about them is when they do start to get sun faded and look very discolored and light, you can put a natural beeswax on them and almost bring them back to their full natural state, and they will absolutely look beautiful again. So these particular fixtures, if you take care of them, they will look new for 10, 15, 20 years if they're properly taken care of. The other most important thing to keep in mind is these particular oil rub bronze fixtures, they're the ones with the lifetime warranty. Even though these are from a professional landscape lighter as well, we can only give a 5-year warranty on them because of the type of finishes. And the manufacturer wants to be able to warranty the fixture for everything, not just from it working. They want to warranty the way it looks and the finish on it as well. And so they know that with a powder coated or painted finish and even this copper finish, that 5 years is about as long as you're going to get out of them and have them look beautiful. But on these oil rub bronze fixtures, they're going to last you the lifetime of your home if you properly take care of them, so they can give you a lifetime warranty on them. And they're not actually that much more. They're probably 10 to 15% higher in cost than the black fixtures. And believe it or not, they're about the same cost as the copper fixtures because copper is just more expensive.